Hey guys, welcome back to another video. The Maestro Speaks. How you guys doing out there? I've been gone for a while, but I'm back and I'm only gone when I don't see a setup on the higher time frame. I love higher time frame analysis because the moves are stronger and longer. Right. That being said, look, this is the Euro GBP monthly time frame. And right now, currently, I'm looking at this area in the market because you had a rejection, of course, off of this level of support, which was previous support. Look, previous support again, previous support. So this particular area in the market is a very strong level, very strong area. And of course, the traders watch all over the world who trade this pair. They watch these levels and they do exactly what they think the market will do. And look what happened. Boom. The market was coming down. And then you have this bullish engulfing candle that engulfed this candle, and I call it engulfing because it's bigger than the previous candle, which was a bearish. Now, remember now, this is monthly movements. Each candle is monthly movements. Now, what I'm currently doing, now you will have some folk, they would enter right away, right? But we like to enter in where price is better. We look for a slight pullback so that we could get in at a better price. This market could very well go all the way back up here. You see this? From here, it could very well, because you have a potential double bottom setup on at the level, sorry, at the level of support. You have a potential double bottom setup at the level of support. Double bottom means that the market was trying to go down, but it changed its mind and it's going up. This is a price reversal potential setup. Now, what I'm going to do is, this is the monthly chart. So what I'm doing, I'm going to go down and look at the weekly time frame. Whoops, sorry. I am going to go and look at the weekly time frame. Now, look, I want you guys to see what happened. This is very powerful. This is very, very powerful. You have the market came from resistance, and we talk of weeks of bearish pressure down to this area in the market. And if you look to the left, you see that double bottom setup, what occurred at that level. And when the market had the double bottom setup, it went all, I talk about strong, dominant bullish pressure all the way back up to resistance. Now we are at this same area again of interest. And look what happened. You have this bullish engulfing candle, tapped off this area, drop back down, and then you have this somewhat of an indecision, but it's a bullish move. And then you have this strong push up. There's a strong push up. And now you have this area here where the market is saying, you know what? I'm thinking of going up, because you had a bearish move, but it wasn't much. And then you have bullish, but of course the bears try to push it down, but the week closed bullish. So that being said, what I would do, I'm looking at this as well, because this market, like I say, can potentially go all the way back up here, all the way back up there, or it can hit this area. Sorry, excuse me, hit this area and come all the way and start consolidating probably in this area. But this particular pair trends for long periods of time. Once you have a good setup on the higher time frame, it tends to trend a long time. So I'm looking at this area right here. This is powerful. This is powerful. So this closure, you could possibly get in. Yeah, possibly. But what I'm going to do, I am going to stroll now to the daily. Now, you have this happening off of the daily. You had bullish movements to the upside. And of course, you have a slight bearish move. Now, what I'm going to do, look here. Once the price does not close beneath this area in the market, we good. So I'm looking for a potential uh, confirmation where with candle closure that shows that the market wants to continue to the upside. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. Because see, I'm not going to sell this market. Obviously, this is a potential bullish situation. So I'm just waiting for the market to show its hand. And trust me, I'm going to hold this trade for a long, long time once the market shows its hand. Okay. Now, also, what you could do as well, you could, of course, you could take out your Fibonacci retracement tool, go from the previous swing low to the last swing high. See, you have that. That's the Fibonacci, and you got the 50 area, the 50 and the 61.8 level, the area itself. So you could draw your little rectangle and you could possibly wait to see what price would do. Now, price does not have to come to the golden zone, but if the price itself, hold on, let me insert shapes. I'm going to insert my little rectangle because it does not have to. Oh Lord, what am I doing? No, let me move. Oh, uh-oh. Hold on 1 second, y'all. Okay, cool. I'm just going to use the same rectangle. Right. Now, if the price comes down and bounces off of this level and gives me a confirmation candle within this level, this is a golden zone. So you know your boy gonna get in. But it could very well top off of the 38 level as well. You see what I'm saying? But as the uh the buyer, I am looking for buys only. I am looking for this is what I'm looking for with this particular pair. I can tell you right now. I am looking for one position to be a very, very long position where I'm holding for the long, long haul. We're talking possibly months of holding, right? Based on how the market shows its hand. And it looks like it's going to, do that. But of course, the market could do anything. But I am looking for one position to be a very long position. When I say long, going up, buying, but when I say long, I'm talking holding it for a long period of time, months as one position, as well as I will also be buying pullbacks. So that's like compounding your account while it's going in the direction that you perceive it to go. All right. So that's my analysis on this pair. Always look at the higher time frame because the higher time frame, it cancels out all of the noise. Because you could get caught up in the noise of the lower time frames. All right, let's go back before I exit. Remember now, monthly time frame. Whoops. Oh Lord, now you can't see because of Fibonacci. I need to remove that Fibonacci. 1 second, y'all. 1 second. A little messy. A little messy. Hold on. Let me take off the fib. Take off the fib. All right. Let's go back to that. Right. You see that? I'm just waiting for the daily to show me that confirmation move to the upside. And I'm in. And I'm going all the way up here. Possibly. If the market, reveals its hand. Now this market could very well, go down, but based off of this candle at this level of support, I doubt it. That's all I'm saying. I could be wrong, but I highly doubt it. All right. So you guys have a wonderful, wonderful trading week. Okay. And I want you to like, comment, unsubscribe. All right. Keep me motivated to keep doing these videos, man. Appreciate y'all. You guys have a wonderful day. Take care.